इन दिनों लैक्मे फैशन वीक खूब चर्चा में है, जहां कई सारे सितारे अपने हुस्न का जलवा बिखेरते हुए नजर आए। लेकिन तारा सुतारिया और वीर पहाड़िया का वॉक खूब चर्चा में रहा, जहां दोनों एक दूसरे का हाथ थामे हुए रैम वॉक करते दिखे। वहीं अब सोशल मीडिया पर इनका वीडियो भी खूब वायरल हो रहा है। कई यूजर्स ने तो कमेंट करके ये तक कह दिया है कि ये दोनों को वो एज अ कपल देखना चाहते हैं। वहीं कई लोग ने कमेंट करते हुए ये भी कहा है कि अदार जैन की शादी के बाद शायद अब तारा सुतारिया मूव ऑन कर चुकी हैं। तो चलिए हम आपको दिखाते हैं इन दोनों का ये वायरल वीडियो।
सामने एकदम सेंटर में आराम से चल रहा है थोड़ा सा इधर आप या वो तो भी लुक थोड़ा लुक सेंटर वो तो भी फिर मैं सामने
always, but to celebrate 25 years of Lakme Fashion Week, what a special time to be asked to walk. I have walked for Fashion Week a couple of times, but of course this is Veer's first time, and I feel very happy that I got to walk with him for his first time at Fashion Week. ASOS is a very special brand to me. I have bought their clothes for years and years and years in the UK, and of course thrilled that it's now here in Bombay, in India, online. So just very happy to be here.
Hello everyone, good evening and it's
Rolling? Okay.
Hi Tara, Ina here from LA.
Hello.
In one word, if you could just talk about your outfit and design it.
I think, I just said this in another interview. I feel like a goddess in black, and I love black as a color. Been wearing it a lot recently, and I love the brand ASOS. I've been shopping from the brand since I was a teenager, so I'm very happy to walk for ASOS today, and I love what I'm wearing.
And Tara, if I will ask you about, as an actor.
Yes.
How do you look at, the new actors? I mean, like, who are coming in the industry. Do you think there is more pressure on them when it comes to prove themselves, and how challenging it is for them to establish themselves in the industry?
I think, in any profession, when you're young and when you're new, and I certainly felt this when I did my first film, you want to do your best. There's a lot about this profession that is very unusual to other jobs. I think, the question of pressure really depends on oneself, and how the individual, how you talk to yourself about it. I personally have not put that pressure on myself. My job, I think, has always been in my mind to do my best and to understand the rhythm of how people like to see artists in film or on stage. I've been a stage performer all my life, so for me to transition into film didn't actually feel very much different to the experience of being on stage. So I personally didn't feel that, but of course it can be daunting. I can see that with other actors when we have conversations. It is of course daunting because you're putting yourself out there for the rest of the world to see. But I haven't personally felt that way.
And especially in the time when there's so much social media trolling and everything that actors have to face.
Right.
So how does it, how do you deal with it?
I think, there are bullies everywhere and it's very unnecessary, and I wish it didn't exist, but it does. I think that there's a way to, again, how you talk to yourself, I think personally and professionally is very important. Sit with yourself, have that conversation. And I think life can be a lot lighter if you have a great support system. And if you don't have a great support system, you can be your own support system. So talk to yourself with kindness, be generous and good to yourself, and you'll be okay.
Just going to last questions. What is your fashion, and I will ask what is Tara's, fashion statement?
Fashion statement, I don't know. I've always believed in classic elegance and old-fashioned, whether it's beauty, cosmetics, and the way that I dress. So for me, everything is always old-fashioned and monochrome.
And if you could just talk about Toxic.
Sorry?
Toxic, like your upcoming project.
I'm so sorry, I won't be able to talk about that.
Okay.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Tara.
Thank you.
I'd like to know about your outfit and
Yeah, sure. So today at the Lakme Fashion Week 2025, I'm wearing all ASOS, top to bottom.
yeah. And so, like, if you talk about your projects and being, new in the industry, do
Ji.
you feel, there's a kind of pressure that you feel on yourself? Especially talking about in Bollywood, how do you feel about it?
I mean, every day is a new day, and I'm very grateful to be able to live my dream. I always wanted to be an actor, I wanted to be a performer and entertainer. So today, being the first time I ever walked on a ramp, is rather, surreal because I only dreamt of this and to be able to do this my whole life. So yeah, everything is fun. Being in front of the camera is fun. Being on a stage is fun. Being on a ramp is fun. I love it.
You in your last scene, like you were seen with Akshay Kumar in Skyforce.
That's right.
It was a great. How was it? And now, how you're looking forward to your journey?
So I'm very grateful and very, thankful to the legend Akshay Kumar sir to kind of guided me in my first film. I kind of got to like perform with him, do action with him, do a little bit of comedy and like a lot of things, dance with him as well. And he's so iconic and such a legend, as a screen idol for so many people, including myself. So yeah, I was very grateful to get that preparation in my first film, and yeah, I would like to do a lot more things in the future, and you'll lose.
Talk about your upcoming projects.
It's too early to say right now because I'm waiting for the official announcement, but something different for sure.
Something in Bollywood only. Or you waiting for immediately, or something that is coming in Bollywood.
It will be Hindi. It can be regional. It can be streaming. It can be theatrical. A lot of stuff is coming here.
Who are the directors you want to work in Bollywood?
There are a few, but if you can ask me right now, it would probably be, if you wanted to ask me right now, it would probably be Amar Kaushik, Sriram Raghavan, and probably Mr. Bhansali.
And if I ask you one of the actors you would like to work with in this?
Yeah, sure. I just walked on the ramp with Tara. I would love to work with Tara. I would love to work with Deepika Padukone. There are so many talented girls right now. I would love to work with Sri Leela. I would love to work with Pratibha. All of them, they're very, very talented.